Welcome to JH. Looking for the best trading platform in Europe? Today, we're pitting Nordnet against Saxo Bank to see which one actually deserves your hard-earned cash. Let's talk money first, because let's be honest, that's the only reason we're here. Saxo Bank slashed their fees in 2024, now charging about $15 per US trade, while Nordnet undercuts them slightly at $13. Both have finally dropped their account maintenance fees to zero. Realizing that charging people just to let their money sit, there was a bit of a bold move. Nordnet offers a little something special called monthly savings, which lets you buy certain funds and ETFs without paying any fees at all. It's the perfect feature for those of us investing pocket change while desperately dreaming of early retirement. Saxo Bank, however, is clearly hunting for the Wolf of Wall Street, types who trade constantly. If you prefer a platform that doesn't require a PhD in finance just to navigate the home screen, Nordnet is clean, simple, and won't make you feel like an idiot. Saxo Bank does offer more advanced tools, including detailed charts and professional research reports that look very impressive, even if you have no idea what they mean. They also give you access to over 40 countries and complex products like futures and bonds. Think of Nordnet as a cozy local bistro and Saxo as an overwhelming international buffet where you might accidentally buy a Greek government bond by mistake. Choose Nordnet for simplicity and those sweet free savings, or pick Saxo if you're a pro looking to conquer global markets. Both are safe and regulated, so at least your money shouldn't disappear into a black hole. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe, and try not to lose it all in one go.